Hello! In front of me I have Mibro Watch A1 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristband on this watch. If you want to change the straps or the wristband on this watch, the first thing you need to do is to remove the old ones. So pick up your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap we have the pin right here, and we can pull it to release the holding mechanism, basically to release the strap. To do it, simply grab the pin with your fingernail and pull it towards the middle of the strap, like this, and then you can remove the strap. The way this mechanism works is basically you have two pins on each side of the strap, and if you pull this pin, it basically retracts this pin, hides it, and then you can remove the strap from the watch. Let's do the same for the second one. So basically pull on the pin right here and then take out the strap like that. And here we have our watch without the straps and our straps right here. Now once you get the new ones, you can simply flip your watch again, put one end of the strap, this one, into a hole right here. Once you put it in, you need to pull on the pin again to hide the pin right here and adjust it, or rather push it in. It's gonna click, and once it clicks you can see that it locks. Let's do the same for the second one. So put in the pin right here, so you can see it. So put in the pin right here in this hole, pull the pin right here, adjust the strap so it's in the right place, release the pin. Oh, I missed it. So let's again pull the pin, adjust the strap, release the pin. It's gonna click, and when it clicks it means that the mechanism locked and the strap is holding. And that's how you change the straps or the wristband on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.